Have you ever wondered what happens when fresh oranges, honey and thyme come together? Today we are making a naturally fermented orange condiment, but with one important goal: keeping the fermentation short to help limit alcohol formation while creating a delicious sweet, tangy and savory flavor. I am starting with 300 grams of peeled oranges. I remove the peel and most of the thick white pith because it can make the final condiment bitter. Then I gently break the orange into bite-sized pieces and transfer everything into a clean glass jar. Next comes the flavor. I add about 55 grams of raw honey followed by 5 grams of non-iodized salt. The honey draws out the orange juice, while the salt helps steer the fermentation toward a savory condiment rather than simply a sweet fruit preserve. To build more depth, I add a few slices of fresh ginger and a small piece of cinnamon. The ginger adds a gentle warmth, while the cinnamon gives a subtle aroma without overpowering the fresh citrus. Now I close the jar and gently shake it until the honey and salt coat every orange segment. Make sure to leave some headspace because natural fermentation can produce gas. A quick note: because oranges and honey naturally contain sugar, no spontaneous fruit fermentation can be guaranteed to be completely alcohol-free. My approach is to keep the fermentation short, use a little salt, avoid high temperatures, and refrigerate it once the flavor becomes slightly tangy. That helps limit yeast activity while developing a bright fermented flavor. The next day, you can already see that the honey has pulled plenty of juice out of the oranges. I gently mix everything with a clean spoon so all the fruit stays coated in the liquid. After a few days, the aroma becomes fresh, citrusy, and pleasantly tangy. If you ever notice fuzzy, green, black, pink, or orange mold, discard the entire batch. Once you're happy with the flavor, move the jar into the refrigerator to slow the fermentation. Result is a vibrant fermented orange condiment with natural sweetness, balanced acidity, gentle ginger warmth, and a delicate hint of cinnamon. It pairs beautifully with grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, fish, salads, or even a cheese platter. Would you try fermented oranges like this? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to follow Brewnourish for more simple fermentation recipes backed by science.